Learn how to fold a cute traditional origami rabbit using just one square sheet of paper. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll see how to create this classic rabbit without scissors or glue. The instructions are easy to follow, making this project perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who loves paper crafts. This adorable origami rabbit is great for decoration, classroom activities, gifts, or simply enjoying the timeless art of origami. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Happy folding!